So root fix anchor is an anchor which is not only useful in root repairs, but it also can be used for posterior horn repairs. So here we have a case in which there is a radial tear in the posterior horn of the meniscus, which is more than 1 centimeter from the root attachment, so it is not fitting into the definition of a root tear. The posterior fragment is first flipped posteriorly. This flipped fragment you can see here can be brought anteriorly. So here we are passing the root fix anchor not at the root attachment but at the junction. So we are passing it almost at the level of the radial tear component, and the other steps are similar to other root fix insertion. So you pass your needle, you pass the wire from that. After passing the wire, you pass the suture, you pull the sutures, you prepare the bed nearby by clearing the cartilage so that the healing takes place nicely. Once you are through with this part, you can use this suture, the lupin fiber, to pull the root fix anchor into its place. So here we are seeing that the root fix anchor is pulled into its place. So here the root fix anchor is coming, and now it is jammed packed into its place there. Now this is the middle component, and this is the flap which is still there. And the flap in this particular case is everted posteriorly. So here we are using, now to reduce this flap is difficult with any other technique, but here by passing sutures through that, we are able to not only reduce it but also to pull it back into the position. So when you pull the thread, this will reduce. So it is working as a traction suture also. So we have passed the first white suture and then we have passed the second blue suture. So two sutures are passed into the posterior everted fragment. So when we pull it, the fragment comes back into its position, and then we are passing two sutures through the medial main part of the meniscus. So both blue and white sutures are passed sequentially one by one into the main meniscus fragment. And after that, after all the four sutures are passed, we are going to tie them, and just like a margin convergence suture in the rotator cuff, this is going to close the meniscus like this. So the everted fragment is not only reduced but also it is held into its position. So by this we are tying the knot. So by tying the knot, you have that both the sutures, both the fragments falling into its place nicely. And once we do it, you can cut it. So this is the first suture, and this is the white one is the second suture. Once we repair it, so eventually you will see that this anchor is a very versatile anchor which can be used not only in cases of root repairs but also it can be used for radial tears in any part of the meniscus. So here it is almost a posterior horn radial tear, but you can achieve a very good repair by this technique. The flipping of the meniscus which is there is also got into control, so your reduction is good, you can give full traction also, and the final healing is almost, you can do an anatomical sort of a repair by using this root fix anchor for a posterior horn radial tear. So reduction of the fragment is easier and the repair is also easier by use of this particular technique. Any questions? Thank you.